Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On today's episode, we're talking about Hibiki and the Blossom Harmony.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us about this particular Hibiki product?
I will. This beautiful bottle, as we know, is the beautiful 24 lunar sides of the Japanese calendar. Like I said, this is Hibiki Blossom Harmony. This is a blended Japanese whiskey. Borrowed from our buddy Erik Fortmeyer. Thank you very much, Erik, for letting us borrow this one. I think we just get fun stuff from Erik's at this point in time. This is the goal. All right, this is 43%. Of course, it's the usual combination of Yamazaki, Hakashu, and Chita. And for this blend, they finished the Chita specifically in the Sakura Casks, which is a Japanese cherry wood. Hibiki, of course, means the resonance was formed in 1899. Of course, this over the 60th anniversary of Suntory. This is a limited edition Japanese. This is the 2022 bottling, crafted by Chief Blender Shinji Fukuyo. Alrighty, here. Let's see what we think of this. Beautiful
we
Japanese
have such
whiskey.
fun names to say.
They do, and I'm sure they're all pronounced incorrectly.
Erik has loved on this bottle a little bit already.
Yeah, he brought it over to my brother was in town last weekend, so he brought it over. He's like, I really like that you guys need to review this. I'm like, okay, don't twist my arm to borrow this one.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, I'll take it home and review it. Sounds like a plan to me.
It smells so pretty.
Isn't it?
It is beautiful. This is probably one of the best smelling harmonies we've had. I really like that. That smells awesome. But that makes a big difference.
Yeah.
And
You
the
said
cherry.
yeah.
It's so much cherry. It's great.
Cherry wood is what it says it is. Cherry.
It's just cherry. It's like vanilla cherry.
But it's also like it's got this floral, like honeysuckle going on to it.
Yeah, it's got that leche. Remember that leche liqueur we reviewed? It's got that fruit. That it's got ginger, sage, vanilla,
very fruity, very floral, and
white pepper, a little light barrel char.
White pepper.
You know, fruit snacks. When your kid opens the fruit snacks packet, it smells like a fruit snack packet.
It's butterscotch wrapped in honeysuckle.
Okay,
the honeysuckle sticks out a lot to me,
doesn't it? It's just.
It reminds me of a Scotch White Dog.
Oh,
yeah, kind of. Yeah, growing up with these honeysuckles that were on the neighbors' plants behind us that attached to the fence, and it reminds you of that fence with those honeysuckles growing on it.
Even the viney green.
Yeah, all the greenery. Yeah,
yeah,
it smells really good.
It smells like a fresh spring day.
Yeah,
like you're outside, somebody's mowing their lawn. They got that fresh cut grass thing going on, and it's not too hot, not too cold.
Bright and sunny.
Sun shining, flowers are blooming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grilled lime and some orange. It's
apparently
very
somebody's
citrus.
grilling.
It's very
citrus. You're right. It has like a cilantro lime.
Well,
like grilled
he
chicken
doesn't like
vibe
cilantro, so he's not picking up soap.
I know he doesn't, but for me, it's always to me it's a good thing. I know for him it's not a thing, but
I like cilantro. I don't get soap.
I think it's great. I think it's gonna be awesome with grilled chicken.
Yeah.
This smells really good. Yeah, I think the retail list is like 170, something like that. I think we looked it up.
Maybe in a little bit of a marinade for chicken.
Ooh, man. It's expensive marinade.
Huh?
It's gonna be an expensive marinade.
I said a little bit. Don't feed a family of 10. I mean, it's just,
Oh, that's really good.
That's really good. It's very rich and viscous on the palate when it doesn't have that rich nose. The nose feels very light and floral and happy, and then it's kind of rich.
I agree with you, but the depth of the things that we were saying, there was so much going on, and then layers, and then the layers on the palate are predominant. It is, God, that tastes like it's 16 years old, maybe. Like there's
it doesn't have an age statement, but there's got to be way older stuff in this. Like it's also pretty dark, and that's
that
nice.
Cherry and the honey stick out to me so much.
Yeah, tons of that honey cherry
too. Like
rose water, ginger.
It's very floral.
Black pepper, a little bit of that sage and leche again.
Best pie ever. Cherry pie.
Well, I mean, it's cherry, but it's so much more. I don't know.
Ooh. Now it's got this like orange leche white chocolate lemon bar thing going on. Ooh, that's like a massive dessert bomb. That's really
the lemon.
Good. Oh, I like that a lot. That's drop some water in there. It's spectacular.
Yeah,
that's one of the best Japanese I think we've had. That's really good.
Yeah, I really like this one a lot.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, I've never had one of these master blossom harmonies, so I guess I must get it every year, but I've never seen one before. That's really freaking good.
No, I've never seen one around before. I was really excited to see these hit the market.
Yeah. That's freaking delicious.
God, this is beautiful.
Yep. I like it a lot.
This is like a wonderful gift whiskey, especially if you have a friend that's into Scotch.
Yeah, especially it also comes like a really pretty box too. You know how I feel about pretty boxes. Yeah, it's a beautiful artwork on the box as well. So
I know how you feel about pretty bottles too. So
I do like that's why I love this bottle. It's just a gorgeous.
I've always loved the Hibiki bottles.
I will probably never throw away any empties of these. They're just so beautiful. Just like fine artwork. Yeah,
nothing more, nothing less.
Water.
It almost just kind of tamps things down a little bit.
Wow, that's not good.
So no water.
Yeah,
no water. Thanks for taking one for the team.
Absolutely.
So we don't have.
It is amazing. This is only 43%. How freaking complex this is.
It tastes so much higher than 43.
Mm-hmm.
Richer than 43.
Yeah, much closer. I think 46.
They probably used some 7-year-olds, some maybe 9-year-old stuff in here. That's probably why they're not putting an age.
Spike it up, yeah, makes sense.
It absolutely tastes like an average age of at least 14 to 18.
That'd be my guess, yeah, because we've got the 21 earlier this year. This tastes semi close to that depth of complexity to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Man, we've had some real winners for the Japanese this year.
Yes,
we have. This could
and it's only March.
Well, thank you, Eric. You're an awesome gentleman. Let's borrow it. We really appreciate it.
Yes, indeed. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights and check out our Patreon for behind the scenes fun. And until next time,
keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass.
Cheers.
So good.
Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous.
It's so good.
I have to compare that, I think, to the 2021 at some point in time. Oh, that's so good. So ridiculous. We're going to move on to 1792 aged 12 years.
Ooh.